What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. Today we're going to do an unboxing on a AK pistol brace. Right now I think this style of pistol brace is the best AK platform pistol brace that I've used or seen up to date. And I've seen there's a couple different companies doing things real similar to this, and I would say, I don't know, I've only had experience with this, the CNC Warrior. These are good braces, and we're going to unbox and show you, and I got a couple other examples of AK pistol braces to show you in this video too that I've had experience with and my opinion on them. So let's get the unboxing. If you don't mind, take a second and hit that subscribe button for me. This channel's growed. I've been uploading for a little over a year now, and we've had steady growth. It's not been real fast, but doing the best I can to put out some content here. So if you don't mind, just subscribe, hit notifications, and leave me a comment. Thank you. So we got some packing paper, packing slip. Looks like the goodies. And that's it. No decal. I can't remember if I got a decal with the last one I ordered or not. I don't remember. But decals are always cool. Bubble wrapped with our mounting hardware. Pretty cool they bubble wrap these things because they're tough. I think this could survive the shipping process, although I see a lot of things shipped that need bubble wrap that don't get bubble wrap. But as you can see, an awesome, strong, sturdy pistol brace. This is actually going to go on the Draco NAC 9, and I got an example here on my full-size Draco, and as you can see, we are clear. We are safe. Comes up, locks up solid. Really solid pistol brace. That's why I had to get one for the NAC 9 project. A little bit stiff to fold, especially when new. They need a little bit of break-in, or at least the experience that I have, they need a little break-in. This one's probably real stiff, and yes, it is. But you can see the folding mechanism. It's got a slot here that your hardware mounts in your rear trunnion, and this slides down, and then you tighten a bolt down, and it mounts firm. It's got a lock nut that goes on it with a lock washer, your spacer. Really good system. And as I said, it's going on this NAC 9, which also we recently added the extended safety. I really like this. It's kind of tight. I bent it out a little bit and loosened it up, but I think where this is Cerakoted, it's just a little bit thicker. And once it, because it's already got smoother, so once it wears in there, she's going to be good and smooth. But this is going to be pretty awesome here. Yes, yes, that will complete this bad boy. Another video on the FRT trigger going live where I actually get to fire it. I'm not sure when that'll get uploaded here sometime this week. And just watch the video to see what happens. I'm not going to spoil it here. This I had put on the NAC 9. This is a pistol buffer tube. I think came from Strike Industries. And the way these work is you got your forks here, and you loosen your hand grip. Your forks slide up under your hand grip. Then you tighten your hand grip back down, and that mounts your, in this case, buffer buffer tube or pistol tube. It doesn't have any adjustment slots. And this is the CAC Shockwave pistol brace, which is really sturdy. And you can, when you put it on, you put it where you want it, and then tighten this Allen key down, and it's not adjustable on the fly, but you can adjust to your length of pull. This is a good option. It's just not foldable, so it makes your thing that you want to be kind of small and compact. This takes that away because it's not foldable. And then this is the SB Tactical side folding triangle brace, which I love the idea of this, and the look of it is really good, spot on. I like the triangle look. It actually mounts the same way with the fork up under the hand grip. It's a decent way to mount it. It's solid, but I prefer bolting through or with the Picatinny attachment right here. Then you can use any number of braces or stocks if you want to get it SBR'd. But the problem, back to this brace, the problem I have with this brace is it's really weak and really easy to break the fold mechanism. It's a small little plastic clip right here, and if you're pulling it back into your arm with any force, which you should be shooting long gun, it just tends to break. It's not real usable. Take it to the range and use it. I would not have this on anything that I ever planned on using to defend myself, just because that's a super bad failure point. But the aesthetics are good. That needs attention. And this is an older model. Maybe in the newer models, I don't know. I haven't used the newer models. They've addressed that and fixed it. I don't know, but this one is from back around when they first came out, which I don't know. It's been quite several years now, and it's just super weak. So yeah, that's probably my last choice. This would be my second choice, even though it's more bulky and big. It's sturdy and just, it works. But for about the same price, maybe just a few dollars more, you can get this, which is an awesome brace, I just have to say. And like I say, this would be my number one pick. Any questions about any of these braces, because I do have experience with all three of these braces, just leave them in the comments. Back to the NAC 9. Like I said, it is clear. We're getting ready to put this on the NAC 9, complete it out. I'm thinking about changing the furniture up here, maybe with a shark fin like is on my full size. Maybe a cheese grater up top, I don't know. Just thinking about different things, but get this on, it'll almost complete this package. We definitely need a new optic. So far, this one has been holding zero on this rail, and it's been opened and closed a lot while I've been messing with that FRT. It's been opened and closed a lot, and it's held zero. So it's really surprised me on that deal. But anyways, this video was about braces. You got kind of my opinion on the three that I have the most experience with. I do have an I think it's an SBA4 brace on my AR pistol. If you have any questions about that, let me know in the comments. I'll make a video on that. That's about it today. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, and get out and shoot your weapons, get out and train, buy ammo, buy lots of ammo. Every day you're living in the good old days, so every day you pass up on something, you'll look back on it and be like, man, I wish I would have got that then. So ammo's a big thing. Go ahead and start. Every time you're out in town, just stop and get a box. Stop and get a box. Before you know it, it adds up. So that's my tip of the day. Buy ammo. Buy the calibers you need. Buy them cheap and stack them deep. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, Smoke Wagon out.